One of the most enticing things about remote area travel for me is to just see multiple perspectives, to see like people living in different areas, facing different challenges thanks to terrain, thanks to the weather. And I think this expedition came together primarily to provide people that opportunity to help them build their own reality.
Main purpose was to see Kashmir, which has not been seen before. I knew we were going to remote places where people usually don't go, but I didn't expect the serenity, the beauty, the virginity of this land. To make this happen, it took us more than 2.5 years. The challenges were at multiple levels. These included taking permissions from the army, the civil administration, involving the locals in it, hiring of vehicles, arranging for accommodations, because in this area no accommodation is available, arranging for food. So all these challenges had to be thought through and worked upon consistently to make this expedition happen.
The zing factor, across Shamshabadi, I did not even know the name Shamshabadi. Looked for Shamshabadi, kahan hai, kya hai, khoja, khaja, samjha. Called up my army friends ki wo safe hai ki nahi hai na. Yes, please. This is something which cannot be missed, come what may.
And I'm so thankful that things came together and we were able to pull it off. Because otherwise, areas in North Kashmir, Tangdhar, Machil, Kiran, these are areas that are back of beyond.
Whiskey 3, please report when you cross the bridge.
Far, far away from the tourist lens. Yet so pretty, so pristine, so unexplored, beautiful, with some of the most hospitable, kindest people. How else would you get to meet these people and feel that warmth but for an expedition like this?
Even though I had served in this area, I knew the routes. However, to overcome all these challenges, I needed help. That's where my friends, close circle of friends, my classmates, extended family, they are the ones who came and pitched in.
Landed up here, ek karke, the event started building every day, Tithwal, फिर मचिल गए, बीच में इन्होंने manage so well with the flexibility, ये नहीं हुआ. Obviously nature, you cannot work against nature. जब nature ही नहीं चाह रही है कि आप जाओ स्नो में तो या स्नो बंद कर दिया रास्ते को तो कुछ नहीं कर सकते हो. परसों भी जो हम लोग फंसे सोनापिंड की गली की तरफ, सबको एक साथ होकर काम किया, कीचड़ में फंसे, मैं भी फंसा ही.
Okay, so we've been using the snow chains to just lay the track so the wheels can get grip and move forward. But there's so much slush that the snow chains are getting dug into the mud and we can't even see them after the car is passed through it.
जीप को महिंद्रा को धक्का मार रहे थे तो महिंद्रा तो ऊपर चली गई, हम नीचे चले गए.
Culmination was yesterday, kind of snow बढ़ते गया and the tracks were intact नीचे. Kashmir में location and the terrain and the snow and the nature, when everything is adverse, then the fun starts.
Just hold on, I'll just do a slight bit of
Given today's description by Nidhi, I'm a bit anxious to be honest. Let's see. It's a bit of trepidation. Let's see.
अभी थोड़ा सा एक्साइटमेंट बढ़ रहा है. आगाज लगता है ठीक है आज का.
Okay, so this is the road leading up to Gurez via Razdan Pass. This is not Razdan Pass exactly, but about 7 kilometers in that direction, in the opposite direction, is where Razdan Pass is. We stopped for a quick lunch break here in snow. It was amazing. It was absolutely amazing. We had choles and aloo.
Hey, ice cream!
Who would have thought that we would have lunch in such a place?
जीवन में ऐसा तो नहीं देखा था कभी. एकदम अनबिलीवेबल. ट्रैक खुद बना रहे हैं, खुद चल रहे हैं.
बर्फ पड़ रही है, फॉग पूरा है, विजिबिलिटी नहीं है, लंच साथ में इतने ऊपर में आके लंच कर रहे हैं, ऑसम।
Now we are heading back. Snow has accumulated a lot and we can't take this.
There's a vehicle that's broken down in front. Will need to be towed or pushed to safety. We will not be able to pass without that. Request you to reverse and park to a side.
उधर छोड़ दो, उधर आगे करेंगे।
There is a very famous Sanskrit saying, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, the whole world is a family. And it is through trips like these, which is very non-touristy, you're free to mix with the local population, chat with them, interact with them. You realize, yes, the world is a family.
We didn't expect this pass to be so beautiful, but it surpassed my expectations. And yes, paisa vasool.
जन्नत है, जन्नत।
Amazing.
True off-road. Awesome. True off-road.
And you?
Peace.